Hello everybody! So yes, this is my next recipe that is dedicated to Akila. Akila is in the Philippines and the son of Arnel, my bayaw, my brother-in-law, and Sunshine, my co-sister-in-law. I talked to Akila 2 days ago and he said he is inspired of all my recipes. That's why I decided to make pancit. Pancit is a Filipino food. It's a Filipino dish that is served especially during special occasions and during birthdays, Christmas, and also wedding occasions. Well, I make a very simple recipe. I have only four ingredients, and because it's dedicated to Akila, and he is 4 years old, 5 years old. So this is really a recipe for kids. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you watch until the end. Hi Akila, this is for you. So here guys, I show you the ingredients of pancit. Our first ingredient is Sotanghon. Soak in hot water. We have green beans. We have 1/4 sliced onion. We have soy sauce, carrots, pan, and induction cooker. I have also prepared cabbage, zucchini, and sliced chicken fillet. We have 1 broth cube here. And the star of the show is extra virgin olive oil. Come on, let's begin guys. The first thing we need to do is turn on the induction cooker. Press here. And then because we need to stir fry the vegetables, I need to press 1, 2, so it's stir fry. I need to lower down. That's the minimum. Now we start to put the olive oil. Put the chicken. We put onions. Now we add green beans. Maybe you're asking why Rosalie doesn't put garlic in this recipe. Well, I don't put garlic because you know guys, in Italy they don't use too much garlic, and if they do so, they just put it whole. But in this recipe, pancit, I really don't have plan to put it, so just onion. Now it's time to add carrots.
Yeah, put those carrots in.
I add soy sauce. I add just half of broth cube. I put zucchini. And add cabbage. It's time to add the Sotanghon. As you see guys, I don't add water because vegetables produce water. I just add Sotanghon in batches. I don't add just in one time. This is the second batch. To mix. And I add the third batch. Pancit is ready. So it took me 15 minutes to prepare this very delicious pancit. It's time for plating. Aki, your pancit is ready. You know why I decided to prepare this recipe and dedicate it for you? Because the last time we came home, that was 3 years ago if I'm not mistaken, you always wanted pancit. So I remembered that it's one of your favorite Filipino food. And yeah, this is for you. Come on, join Tita. And here on my side, there's George. He is sleeping. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and thank you so much for your support. Come on, cheers. It's yummy, very easy to prepare. It takes 5-10 minutes only, and here it is. Delicious and nutritious. Thank you for watching. Mwah.